Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the 5 best home coffee maker. I made this list based on my personal opinion and art of research, and I've listed them based on quality, durability, price and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best product money can buy, well, the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. Pink Bunny Italian Coffee Machine. Brand name, Pink Bunny. 20 bar pump espresso machine. Semi-automatic espresso coffee maker. Home coffee maker, commercial milk frother. Product category, kitchen appliances. Style, Italian coffee maker. Capacity, 1.2 liter. Applicable number, 515 people per cup. Applicable places, home, office, hotel, cafe. Village quality, stainless steel plus ABS. Pressure, 20 bar. Voltage, 220 volt 50 Hz. Power, 1250 watts. Color, white. Gross weight, 5.14 kilograms. Size, 25 by 20 by 28 centimeters. Number 4. Aliexpress Hand Punch Coffee Machine. Brand name, Aliexpress. Model, CM602. Household automatic coffee machine. Clock, American drip office. Hand punch coffee maker. Voltage, 220 volt. Power, 600 watts. Water tank capacity, 500 milliliters. Net weight, about 1.6 kilograms. Product size, 252.2 by 232.2 by 284.8 millimeters. Number 3. Bear Coffee Maker Machine. Brand name, Bear. Model number, DLKF 5002. Italian coffee machine, espresso coffee maker, semi-automatic espresso machine. Home coffee maker, 20 bar pump pressure. Milk frother. Type, espresso coffee maker. How to use it, semi-automatic. Pressure, 20 bar. Product size, 270 by 235 by 295 millimeters. Coffee pot classification, pump pressure. Number 2. ETOP Italian Semi-Automatic Coffee Maker. Brand name, ETOP. Model number, it's CRM3605. Type, semi-automatic Italian coffee maker. Thermoblock and crema system. 15 bar Ulca pump, perfect for delicious espresso. Steaming bar, to jet steam hot water, good for foam making, and perfect for latte or cappuccino. 58 mm professional coffee powder filter. Stainless permanent filter, durable, 1.7 liter detachable water tank, easy to add water. Stainless steel machine body, thermoblock system. Stainless steel punching head. Espresso, cappuccino, latte, American coffee. Keep warm function. LED screen. Number 1. Divisive Professional Espresso Coffee Machine. Brand name, Divisive. Model number, DM038. 20 bar powerful extraction pressure. All information is displayed on the LCD. It is a new concept multi-type automatic espresso machine which is compatible with coffee bean, powder and pod. Detachable water tank. Easy to clean the water tank. Power, 12,000 watts. Size, 360 by 320 by 420 millimeters. Net weight, 10 kilograms. Voltage, 110 to 120 volt. Water tank, 1.2 liter removable.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. And this video helpful to you, please remember leave a like and subscribe our channel to see more video like this and future. If you have any questions you can leave a comment down below.